Right, so your question runs this way. Marami pa ring tao ang nahihirapan to embrace their true identity. As a candidate, what message can you give to them? Again, marami pa rin tao ang nahihirapan to embrace their true identity. As a candidate, what message can you give to them?
Okay, as a gay or as a part of LGBTQ plus community, I know that there's a lot of discrimination that we are encountered, especially the co-LGBTQ plus community. My stand to that is I am not in favor of that because we don't have any rights to judge us. We don't have any rights to discriminate us because we are all human beings. We are all created by God, equal and imperfect. And I just want to all people just be strong, just be who you are. Don't mind people who bash you down. Ladies and gentlemen, opo, bakla, bading, o charing-charing, kahit anumang ilait niyo sa amin ang gabi ito, tagapaghangan namin kayo. Good evening.